Human-computer interaction is the study of the interaction between human and computers. My name is Huaishu Peng. I'm an assistant professor in the computer science department of the University of Maryland. What I'm specifically interested in is looking at the intersections between art and science and technology and design. When people design 3D models, they design everything digitally on the screen, and then send it for 3D printing or for another fabrication machine, and that process is really slow and there's no interactions. What if you can design and print at the same time, interactively? I work with my students in this makerspace in the Iribe Center, and I really like this. We have all the equipment that we need for our research: 3D printers, laser cutters. A lot of things we're doing is rapid prototyping. We want to iterate the design at a really fast speed. I always trying to connect people with different backgrounds and trying to borrow their knowledge and trying to come up with something that's really new and exciting. Being a member in UMIACS, I got the chance to talk to people who know machine learning, artificial intelligence, who know mechanical engineering, and also who can do human type of study. The University of Maryland really allowed me to achieve what I'm always looking for. This is a place that we can blend digital and physical worlds together, doing research that's really cross the boundary and do truly interdisciplinary type of work.